Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and I'm going to show you how to get started on the crochet toy storage hammock. I have some Lily Sugar and Cream yarn here, and I've had a lot of questions on how to get it going, so I'm just going to show you. So to begin, we're going to need some cotton, size 4 yarn, and a size J 6mm crochet hook, and we're going to chain 4, and now we're going to slip stitch into that first chain to form a circle. Turn your work and chain 3. And now we're going to double crochet into the circle, chain 1, and double crochet again into the circle. And turn your work. Now we're on row 3. We're going to chain 3, double crochet into the first space, chain 1, double crochet into the same space, chain 1, double crochet into the next space, chain 1, and double crochet into that same space. Now we're going to turn our work, chain 3, double crochet into this first space, chain 1, double crochet into the same space, chain 1, double crochet into the second space, chain 1, double crochet into the next space, chain 1, double crochet into the last space, chain 1, and double crochet into that same space. Okay, and now turn your work. And so you can see the pattern starting. We're going to do a chain 3 at the beginning of each row, and then on these end spaces is where the increase happens. We're going to double crochet, chain 1, and do a second double crochet into these end spaces. Every space in between that just gets 1 double crochet and a chain 1. And that way this will increase our hammock out on the sides to get that triangle shape. And you just keep working in this way until you reach the length that you desire, and that is how you get started on the crochet hammock. The full written pattern is in the link in the description to this video. Please like and subscribe for more free patterns, and have a great day.